Chocolate turtle bundt cake. Ingredients: 1 chocolate cake mix, 12 ounces chocolate chips, 3/4 cup chopped pecans, 4 eggs, 1/2 cup oil, 1/4 cup water, 1 cup sour cream, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 package instant chocolate pudding, LG size. Glaze. 1/2 cup butter, 1 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup evaporated milk, 1/4 cup sifted powdered sugar. Directions: in a bowl combine 2 tablespoons of cake mix, pecans and chocolate chips. Stir to coat. Combine remaining cake mix, eggs, oil, water, sour cream, vanilla and pudding. Mix well with mixer. Fold in chips and nuts. Pour into greased and floured bundt pan. Bake 350 degrees for 55 minutes until done. Cool 25 minutes and remove from pan. Glaze. Melt butter, add brown sugar. Cook until it bubbles. Add milk and cook until smooth. Remove from heat and add sifted powdered sugar. Whisk until smooth. Drizzle over cake. Thank you for watching. Subscribe now for more recipe videos. This recipe is in the description below.